Hello, welcome to the last section of Maths Revision Part 1. Today's topic is angles, obtuse and right angles, and obtuse angles, acute angles, straight angles, reflex angles, and full rotation angles. These are the 6 type of angles, and we're going to be doing some questions on them. Here are the meanings of which angle is what type. So acute angle, less than 90 degrees. Right angle, exactly 90 degrees. Obtuse angle, greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. A straight angle, so exactly 180 degrees or a straight line, straight angle. Reflex angle is larger than 180. So you might be thinking it's an obtuse, but it's rotated round over the straight angle and down here. It looks a bit confusing at first, but it goes round over 180. And a full rotation is exactly 360 degrees, a full circle all the way around. So here I have some questions and we'll be going through them together. There, so starting off with the first one, it's right angle. I'll bring this a bit closer so we can have a look as we go. There. So starting off, right angle here. It's not a square, but if they did put a square, we would find out. So I'm gonna put right angle. I'm just gonna put right to save time. So you should know right angle there, right. And next one, obtuse angle. So obtuse. The next one, is an obtuse too. If you can just see, this is covering it a bit, but you can just about see it's an obtuse. The next one is just about an obtuse again, just about over 90 degrees. You can kind of make out the straight line and just tell it's just over. And the next one, I'll give you, actually I'll let you figure it out. I'll give you a couple of seconds and then I'll reveal the answer for the following questions now. So hopefully you worked this one out. It is an acute angle. I've kept them here so you can see. But if we do ever go through this topic again, maybe next time I might not keep it up. I might keep it up, but then I won't show it. So acute And next one, acute again. There's no reflex angles in this lesson, but you should know reflex angles, so I'll quickly draw on here. That would be a reflex angle. And then a full circle. So just in this worksheet there aren't any reflexes or full angles, but I've kept them on here. Again, next one, 2 seconds. It's, yep, it's an acute. One way, might not be a very useful way, but one way could to work out to help remember the names: acute angle, acute angle, a small acute angle. You could remember it that way. And with obtuse, it sounds similar to obese, which means fat, and it's over 90 degrees. So obese angle, obtuse angle. You can remember it like that. You may have your own ways. Reflex, kind of self-explanatory. Its reflex is round, and a full circle. You may have your own ways. These are my ways to remember these mathematical terms. So again, next one is an acute too. The next one, just about an obtuse angle. And the last 3 for the day, the last 3, we have obtuse again. Also, I did forget the straight line. The straight line one. You can call it a straight angle or a straight line. Straight angle might seem better, since it's better to say angle than line, since the topic is angles. And the next one is another obtuse angle, and the next one, 12, is an obtuse too. So the rest of them are obtuse. They were all the angles. Hopefully you understood them, and that was the last topic of Maths Revision Part 1, and I will see you in Part 2.